Welcome to today's video, and you're in for a belter if I do say so myself. So in this one, I'm going to let you copy my $500 a month faceless Facebook page strategy. They have a mouthful. And we're going to go through everything, okay? Now, as always, I'm going to share with you proof of the concept. I'll show you how simple this is, because it's genuinely ridiculously simple. You'll learn how it works, and I'll share with you some feedback around this concept as well, okay? Here's my guarantee. Watch this video till the end. You can set this up today. It's not difficult, okay? And as always, I'll share with you tools and resources to make this whole process incredibly quick. So let's dive over here. Okay, so let's first of all start with a little bit of proof. And I'm not going to show you my actual Facebook pages. Why am I not going to show you them? Because people copy them, people report them, and we always have issues whenever I share anything that I'm currently working on. So I'm going to show you something else. And don't worry, it's still proof of the concept, okay? So this is over in Faceless Freedom in my community. I'll show you this really quickly. You see over here where it says wins. I'm going to click on here. And if I scroll down here, you're going to see a number of people who have gone through this method and are earning with Facebook. So for example, John over here shared in the wins tab. You can see here, today my personal page was monetized and it only took 3 weeks. There's one for you. If I then scroll further down the page, you will see I shared in here that my third Facebook page had got monetized using what we're going to be looking at today. You can see that was, when was that? March the 13th. And there's a number of people in here who have gone through what I'm going to share with you today and got the Facebook pages monetized. But since these people shared in here, we have done a number of different things that I'm going to share with you in today's video, okay? And you can see down here again in wins, Anna, Facebook page monetized, and you can see over here, earning money, okay? So this method works. So to start with, let's get rid of a myth. So let's come over here and let's go on here. And let's go over here. So many people believe when it comes to being monetized on Facebook, you'll see stuff like this. You need 10k followers. I can tell you categorically, you do not need 10k followers. On my personal Facebook page, I have currently got a little under 2,000 followers. My account is monetized. You can go and have a look at that one yourself, okay? I have also got a second Facebook page, and that one got monetized with 500 followers. And then the third one, which got monetized in, I think it was sometime in March, that one currently has a little over 1,000, okay? So when it comes to this, requirements 5 to 10,000 followers. You don't need to. The other thing as well is it says engagement. You must have 60,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. I wasn't uploading videos. My account got monetized. People over in the community over here, over in Faceless Freedom, wasn't doing videos neither. It's literally text posts, image posts, and other ones. So don't get me wrong, you can get monetized with videos, but you don't need to be worrying about it and focusing on it, okay? The main thing what I found with three pages now monetized is consistency, and then this over here. So first of all, your account and your profile must be active for 30 days. You must also turn on the professional mode within the Facebook app, okay? And again, it's really straightforward and simple. There's 3 dots at the top right. You just simply click on there and you go into the dashboard and you turn on professional mode. Turn on the professional mode, be of the correct age, and literally start posting content, okay? Now, here's where this thing gets a lot better. So, why do I keep going onto this bloody page over here? Let's come in here. So, I'm going to share with you today something that we have been trialing and testing. And essentially, what this is going to allow us to do is clone pretty much any Facebook page that we like. So, at this moment in time, if you are a member of Faceless Freedom and you was to go into the software suite, and look, if you're not a member, come and join, it's free. But if you was to go into here, into this over here, method 7, sorry. We've got the thread builder, the image maker, story spark. We've got all of these tools on here for creating content on Facebook, okay? But recently, I have just finished building this tool over here. And it's called the Social Content Cloner. And literally, when you come into here, and again, I'll link this on the page for you somewhere, we've got a few options on here. So this will do your whole plan for you. Now, I've been testing it, and we'll test it live. I'll show you it live because it's bloody brilliant. So this is an account I follow over on Facebook called Good Financial Sense. I'll show you here. I know this person is making bank. I've seen his YouTube videos and other stuff, okay? But if you scroll down here, you can see this is crazy. In December, $32,000 from posting on Facebook. And here you can see this is a mixture of what he's posting, okay? Are you going to be earning 32 grand? No. Am I earning 32 grand? No, I am not. But what I am going to do is I am going to clone this page. Now, when we say clone, we don't mean just take all the images in the posts and copy it. We wouldn't do that. We are going to clone it and then we're going to make it unique to us. So basically, we are using this as a guide. And with regards to, there's an old saying in this, success leaves clues, and don't overthink things and try and reinvent the wheel. Look at what's already working and use it to your advantage. So I know that this page over here, this Good Financial Sense, he goes ahead and he gets posts like the images like this, what he finds on X predominantly, and also on Reddit, and then he will simply share that on the page with a little bit of text around it as well, okay? And that's it. So we're going to clone it and we're going to see if we can get content similar to this, but in our own style. So I'm going to copy this up here. And then I'm going to go into the social content cloner. And I'm going to say this. I'm going to be very basic with this because I've tried to make this, for me to start with, idiot proof. So I'm going to say this is a profile. This is a page on Facebook. And then I'm just going to paste the link in there. And then I'm going to say, I want to make my own page very similar. That's what I want to do. That is the basic starting point of this. So it's going to go ahead and come back and ask me a couple of questions. And this will do the same for you. So it's going to say, what niche will your page focus on? Personal finance, investing, budgeting, side hustles, etc. So already it's gone over there, it's analysed the page, and it's come back and it's asking me to be a little bit more specific. So I'm going to say, in fact, what I'll tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all of these. I'm going to copy it. Now, what do we want? Personal finance, investing, budgeting, side hustles, retirement, debt payoff. Right, so I'm not interested in debt payoff. And at this moment in time, I'm not interested in retirement. So we've got personal finance, investing. I'm not even interested in budgeting, side hustles, wealth building. I'm going to hit on that. And then look, so here we go. So what is your main goal with the page? What are we going to be doing? Because whatever we come back and tell it on here is going to build the content around that. And on the back end of this, we have built into it hooks and loads more different frameworks, okay? So what is our goal? Well, first of all, it's going to be a new page, so we want to get followers, okay? So we want followers. Generate leads, sell products, Now, obviously, if we had a digital product or community like what we've got over on school and we're trying to direct traffic over there, we could choose that option, okay? But to start with, we're going to say, look, we want to get followers fast and we want to build authority. Later down the line, we can switch to lead generation, affiliate income, etc. There's no right or wrong answer, by the way. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to hit on enter. What style of content? And once we've gone through these questions over here, it's good to go. Literally good to go. So what do we want? Straight education, motivational, simple, beginner friendly. Let's go with straight educate. Let's go with this. I'm going to put in a couple. Educational, motivational, money mindset. And let's go with that one. So I'm going to go with 3. Like so. Paste that in here. And we are good to go. Do you want call to actions? Okay, so this here is where at the end of the post, a CTA, a call to action, is where we are asking the audience or the person reading or watching to take an action. And you don't have to, by the way. Look, you can see down here, no call to action. But we're just going to say something like this. Follow for daily money tips. And then all of these other things down here, like comment guard, and I'll send it. This is if you have your own products and you're building an email list, etc. Okay? I'm just going to paste that in here. Do you want an AI image concept? Yes. Yes, I want images in the posts. Okay? Why the page works. So now it's going to give me a breakdown of this page over here. So you'll see here, look, the Facebook page you shared, this one, succeeds because it combines all of these things here. They don't just teach finance, they package finance in a normal way people actually consume. Your advantage, you can build a more modern version focused on these things down here. Sounds good? Right, okay. Combination. So here it's going to talk about our content positioning. Scroll down here. This is the core theme, helping everyday people build wealth without sounding boring. All right, great. This is my audience. This is my content pillars. So all of the posts and the content we're going to be sharing are going to be built around these content pillars. What your page should look like. It will give you your bio formula for this. And then after this, it will start to give you some examples of the posts. Okay, so for example, this over here is a paid hook. So this is a hook, which is what captures people's attention when they're scrolling on Facebook. So we've got a paid hook. If I then scroll down over here, we've got number and curiosity hook. If I then scroll down, we've got rich versus poor, meme and lesson, etc. So it's giving me 10 scroll stopping hooks. And these are all proven hooks as well, okay? Scroll down here, original Facebook posts ready to use. So you can see here, look, it's now giving me 5 posts that I can go ahead and post instantly on Facebook. So if I scroll back up here, where's it gone? This one over here, look, post 1, authority and motivation. So all I would do here is I would take all of this and I would copy this and I would just simply go over onto Facebook and I would post it onto the page. I think we can agree that's simple. Then we're going to scroll down here. It will also give us call to action variations down here. And then if I scroll down the page here, so it's giving me those 5 posts, okay? Then I'm going to scroll down here, look, content mix strategy. So it will even give you the days and the plan for posting. So on a Monday, we're doing educational, Tuesday, we're doing money memes, etc. Best performing formats, text-based graphics, scroll down here. It's also looking at carousels, memes, etc. Okay, now we're moving on to the post. Okay, so if I scroll down here, I mean, the other thing as well, what we've done on the back end is we've built it so if you wanted to take the post and then repurpose it into a reel or a TikTok video, it will do that for you as well. So let's come further down the page here. Okay, so I'm going to say great. Let's just go with give me 3 posts complete with an image for each one. I'm going to hit on enter. And it's going to do that for me. It's going to go ahead and do it. And literally, I'll show you the concept. Okay, so if I come over here onto Facebook, and if I go to the home, and I go to my profile, which is monetized, by the way, you'll see here, look, I am monetized with 2K followers. So if I scroll down the page over here, all I need to do is copy and paste, and then I can schedule it within Facebook. So this is how we are able to go ahead and get these Facebook pages monetized, because we are using a mix of different tools and resources, but more importantly, we're being consistent with it, okay? So if I come over here, okay, so it's giving me in post 1, yeah, post 2, okay, so now I'm going to say, okay, great, I want it in this format, please. And the other thing as well is, once we've gone through this and we've told chat exactly how we want content moving forward, we won't be getting things like this, okay? Okay, great, I want it in this format, please. A text post, including emojis, and then a separate, I can't even spell today, separate image. Because that what it's just giving me up there is all together, okay? So I'm going to scroll down. So here we go, look. Follow for more daily tips, image text. Okay. Now I'm going to say create image 1. And guess what? It's going to create the image. So I'm going to scroll back up the page here. And I'm going to go with this. Wealth is built in boring moments while others are spending off. And all I'm doing here is I'm copying. I'm going to Facebook. I'm hitting on here. I'm pasting like so. I'm then going to go back over to ChatGPT. I'm going to scroll down. Image will be done in a second. And then once it's done, all I'm doing is copy and paste. Now I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to paste it on Facebook. There you go. Okay. So like so. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to hit on new. I'm just going to do this like so. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to paste. And it's done. And then if I wanted to schedule a post, I would just simply click on next. And then here, I don't know why this is running so slow. Down here, you see where it says scheduling options. I could schedule this for the rest of the week. So I can go into this piece of software and use it and schedule out a full week's worth of content. And in terms of the images, if you're not happy with them, you can ask it to do it again for you. You can change the colors and absolutely loads more. But this is how we are literally monetizing Facebook pages with simple copy and paste. We are using resources like the social content cloner and pumping out content consistently, because with this tool now, if I was to sit down for a solid hour without talking to you and jumping between tabs, I could literally create a full week's worth, well, I could do a month's worth of content realistically in an hour on one page. So it's not hard at all. So look, that's today's video. That is this method that we are using. And look, this tool over here, this social content clone, I will put a link to it down below. It will be over on Beacons. If you are in Faceless Freedom and you're not taking advantage of the tools and the software that we have got in here for you, what are you doing? Literally, we've got the viral thread builder, which will do your Facebook posts for you in a thread builder style. We've also got the viral image maker, which will create viral niche tailored Facebook images. We've got Story Spark, which is exactly how it sounds, creates inspiring stories, affiliate assistant, and loads more. So yeah, that's today's video. If you do have any questions, then please let me know. But overall, this new GPT that we've built, I'm really happy with it. I think we're going to great. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it is just a case of spend a little bit of time in the beginning, walking through, telling chat what you want. Once you've got that, you're good to go. I'll see you soon.